into this makeup, I already prepped my face. I already did my skincare. If I would do my skincare on camera, we would have been here for another 20 minutes. So I love the Secure the Blur primer. I cannot talk to y'all while I do my brows, so y'all just gonna have to like just watch me do my little 1-2-1-2. I'm not that skilled yet, so best tip to finding your shade for foundation, like color matching, is matching the color to your chest right here. Because the thing is, most of the time our face is a different color from our body anyway, so you want to match your body to your face, not your face to your body. Because if you do that, then your face, like my face is way more pale than my actual body, so I will literally walk around looking like a big ghost. Just know that as well. Take that into account when you're makeup shopping. And get underneath that neck, honey. You don't want to go outside and then you look like the moon. And if you on in with my Nude by YSL, and I've been liking the glowy makeup look. That's why I've been using this bronzer versus like going in with a contour stick. Angle brush, taking a little and just putting that on the edge of the bridge of my nose, a little upwards towards the brows. I like to put it on the bridges of my nose as well, so we can start contouring, well, finishing the contour of the nose. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Girl, I couldn't figure out what I was trying to say. Where's my beauty blender? But look how, look how beautiful it blends. This, y'all, like if YSL actually sold these sponges, they would be like bestseller of Allure, whatever it's called. And look how pretty that pink is. And then I like to take that sponge and just clean up underneath my eye where I just did that blush. Taking the one size loose powder and translucent. And guys, this is also my top beauty secret. And one thing, y'all, listen, you want to press it in first, okay? Press in that loose powder under your eye. Now we're going to bake. This is the Fenty bronzer in Coco Naughty number 7. Like, that is just so pretty to me. And I kind of like going up and down from the corner of my eye to the corner of my brow right here, and just kind of going back and forth. And then I'll start doing circular motions down the bridge of my nose. And this is the OG Graph Black by MAC. Eyeshadow under my eyeliner, because I really like that smoked look on my eyes. I have huge eyes and I like to make them look even bigger than what they are. Loving this blush by Patrick Ta. It is beautiful. Powder, and this is the liquid blush. Oh, y'all, that is beautiful. And I love this nude. Oh my gosh. Lawless did their big one when they made this. This makes some great lip products, like honey. Oh, so pretty. Water underneath. This is the finished look of today's glam. What do y'all think? This is my go-to soft glam. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe. Come back. Like, we have so much to talk about. Hair tea, makeup tea, story times of my own tea. Anything you've been through, I promise you're not alone. I've been through it too, so we could talk about it together. But yeah, I have a lot of story times coming up, a lot of juicy story times. Don't miss out on that. Make sure y'all subscribe and turn on my notifications so y'all know when I post another video. But that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope y'all liked it. If we have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And that is it. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Mwah.